Okay, day 3. Oh, kind of day 4. Changed some stuff on the quad. I lowered my camera angle. I switched out the props for a less aggressive prop. And I changed a couple things in the pids. I brought the D gains, or I don't know. I brought some stuff up to 1.1 to see if it'll help get rid of that like oscillation, like that wobbly when I'm coming down on my throttles. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm also gonna try this antenna out and see if it gives me a little better signal or worse. I'm just testing it out. So yeah. All right, here we go. All right. Jesus. Okay. So shaky right now. Getting pretty good signal. See what happens when I go behind this big tree on this side. Wow, honestly, not bad. Kind of what I was worried about. Flying around in horizontal. Or horizon. Dude, I say that wrong. I think every time. Okay. I don't know if like... Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know if that like getting a different camera will give me a better quality feed or if that's just analog. Like, is this the best analog's gonna get for me? You know? This is like that almost correct. I feel like I should flip it into air. I'm just so shaky. Ugh. Okay. Good God. I think I like this camera angle more. Jesus. Haha. Man. Alright, there's a sweet gap. I did it. I'm gonna practice these like fast turns. We're going. Maybe without the GoPro on, I guess. That'd probably be a better idea. This thing's feeling way better now that I've brought the pids up a little bit. The D max is now up a bit more, and it just like feels way better. It's cool to see the shadow. Oh, get up. Almost wrecked. Okay. Need to be sick to to do that one more move and go up. I think we're gonna try to take off in air mode. I did it! That wasn't too bad. But I see where that could go wrong if you don't do it quickly. Now I'm shaking again. Might be the food. Might be air mode. I don't know. Oh my god, man. Not with the GoPro on. Sketchy. Cause like, what am I doing? Man, this thing gets great signal. I don't know if it's the antenna or my new spot. I should have tested them out separately, but oh well. Yeah, life is actually becoming easier in air mode. Just to like control. Actually not a bad gap at all. Slow down, dude. Shit. That's the one thing, is you can really get going in acro mode because it doesn't ever pull you back. So if you're accidentally just a degree forward, you're gonna be going pretty quick here in a sec. Getting a little more comfy with my speed, that's for sure. Yeah, that is so much better now. Oh my god, like that is so much more smooth than what it was. Yeah, this camera angle and everything has just been way nicer. Lowered the camera and I brought it to 10 degrees and it's flying way better. I'm just gonna disarm. Okay. Thanks Spot Grinder for showing me to just disarm instead of try to land with the throttle going. Because that never actually works. You just bounce all over the place. Honestly, like, that was probably the hardest I've done a trick. And it was way less oscillation than yesterday. And like, didn't seem too annoyed with me. I almost wrecked. About to wreck again. Okay. Feel these motors. Dude, like. Okay. Nothing. I could go up more. I know I could go up more. Like, I know I could. So that's what I'll do tonight. Because right now, it's at 1.1 on the filter slider. And I know I could go even more if I wanted to. All right. So, last battery of the day. See if I can break some shit. Put these on. Alright, let's try to take off in air mode, you psycho. I don't know, it's almost easier. I feel like there's a lot of stuff that Horizon mode teaches you bad habits of. I just wrecked so bad. So bad. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jeez, man. GoPro is fine. Okay, but RX loss means something bad just happened, right? Oh, damn. Okay. Such a hard hit. Oh my God. I guess. Oh. All right. I think we're done for today.